Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter keywords on a web page. And even though I use jQuery and CSS, this is not a jQuery tutorial or a CSS tutorial as such. I like to call it quick start. If you want to learn jQuery or CSS, there are a lot of good tutorials out there on the internet. Basically, this is just to show you how I dealt with a problem that I was faced with, and at the time I could not find a useful solution on the internet. It was just something I struggled with, and after a lot of head bashing and a lot of searching, I came up with a solution that worked for me. For this video, I'm assuming that you are already comfortable with HTML, jQuery, and CSS. And even if you are not, watch it anyway. You might find something useful here. I needed something for a project that I was busy with, and it needed to filter out all the paragraph tables lists with words that I needed to find. Everybody seemed to have search queries for this and tables only. So after a lot of Googling and searching and head bashing, I ended up with this. This search will look through for all the words on that page that have the combination of letters that I give it in the input field. So as you can see here, I have just a basic web page, and then here is the filter input. Okay, I've got some paragraphs here, I've got a list, and I've got a table down here. This little paragraph down here is outside of the search query. So what happens if I, for example, type in here house, it'll filter out all the words or all the elements that don't contain the word house. If I take this out and I put in here, for example, car, it'll filter out everything that doesn't have the word car in it. And you see this paragraph here does not get affected. Okay, so how this works, if you go to your favorite text editor or wherever you're editing, I use brackets. It just works well for me. You see inside here just a basic web page setup. I've got an HTML tag, got a head tag, got a style tag here, and then inside here I've got the input filter here, and then right here is a div. This div here. Anything that's inside this div will be filtered. Anything that's outside of it, like this one here, like I showed you on the previous page, will not get filtered. This little script here is the script that does the magic. Okay, so it's basically a straightforward jQuery script, and not much to it. Of course, you'll need the jQuery library to be linked. You see I've linked it up here. If you don't link this to your web page, this little script here won't work and the filtering won't work. So just to go back here, if I take this out and I put in, for example, let's put in paragraph. All the elements that have paragraph in it will be shown, and all those that don't have will be filtered out. However, this little paragraph here will remain always because it's not within that within this search div here. This little within this div here, and that's it. Easy. Thanks for watching.